So this is a pretty cool load. I mean, I've hauled pipe before, but the way they loaded this, gotta say that was pretty cool to watch. Yeah, so in my last video, I thought I was gonna get hit by Hurricane Ian. I was in Pensacola, Florida. So this one's starting off with me in Pensacola, Florida. And like a dumbass, my DM's probably like, this guy's just retarded. I was asking for a load because I gotta run home to Tampa, guys. I got a package over there I've been wanting to pick up. But I was asking him for a load to go south, you know, go towards Tampa Bay. And, you know, naturally, they said they didn't have one, you know. They're not sending anybody south into a hurricane. He's probably like, you know, I'm probably like the laughing joke and back in the office there, which, you know, whatever, it is what it is. So anyways, yeah, as you can see, I got these steel pipes, guys, and it's going all the way to Iowa. I should be able to drop that first thing Friday morning, grab you another load right through the weekend, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. The weather out here is beautiful. Guys, we got the fall weather back. That is awesome. I'm loving this weather. It's beautiful out here, and I'm gonna enjoy this ride. Stay tuned. It's always a good feeling when you get your grocery shopping done. You know, you got a whole bunch of stuff on your truck that you can snack on and eat, drinks, and you also save money from not going into the truck stops. All right, guys, so we made it to the drop. This guy's about to take off all the steel pipes, just waiting on another operator to come out here to help him with the other side. I guess, you know, you got to be careful with these kind of operations because these pipes could roll on top of you over here. That's why we put the wood planks through the middle there. It kind of sits and rests inside there. But anyways, that's going to do it for this one. If you like the content, you already know the deal. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.